Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 12 latest defense updates. This is part 2 for today. So let's start. Number 1, HAL expects additional orders for Tejas MK1 and from IAF. State-owned HAL officials speaking to IDRW have confirmed that the first batch of upgraded Tejas Mk1A fighter jets will commence deliveries from March 2024 onwards, and all contract 73 jets will be concluded by 2028. HAL officials also confirmed that the company will offer to manufacture additional 40 to 50 more units of the Tejas Mk1 sometime soon, when the production line of the Mk1A peaks at 2026-27 to bridge the gap due to delays in the Tejas Mk2 program and due to falling squadron levels of the IAF. Next, Botswana shows interest in Tejas Mk1A to replace Canadair CF-5A. Botswana Defence Force Air Wing is in talks with India's state-owned HAL to procure unspecified number of LCA Tejas Mk1A fighter jets from India to replace its ex-Canadian Canadair CF-5A Freedom Fighter and CF-5D Tiger 2 jets in service. Botswana Defence Force in 2017 wanted to procure Swedish-built Gripen multi-role jet fighters at $1.7 billion but had to drop plans due to sharp criticisms from security analysis, foreign press and domestic political opposition within Botswana over the steep price of the jet. Next, IAF expecting AON for MRFA Tender soon. Air Marshal Nandeshwar Tiwari, Deputy Chief of Air Force, told Indian media that plans to procure 114 multi-role fighter jets under MRFA will see a renewed push by the IAF to get acceptance of necessity approved by the Defence Acquisition Council for the tender before the issue of the request for proposal in next 3 to 4 months. IAF is still framing service quantitative requirements and plans to issue RFP that might be done by the end of this year or by mid of next year. Next, MRF Tyres to replace imported tires on Tejas Mk1A. MRF, India's leading tire manufacturing company of India, at Aero India 2023 showcased a new line of nose wheel tires and main wheel tires for the Tejas Mk1A fighter jets, replacing Dunlop tires that was presently supplied by the US headquartered tire manufacturer. MRF creating aero muscle tires of fighter aircraft, and officials confirmed that trials of the tires have begun and soon it will be cleared for the Tejas Mk1 and Mk1A fleet. Next, Russian proposes joint construction of submarine with India based on Amur 1650. Deputy Director of the Russian Federal Service for Military Technical Cooperation Vladimir Drozhov shared details with Sputnik during the Aero India 2023 in Bangalore. In 2021, India issued a request for proposal to 5 foreign contenders for the construction of 6 submarines with advanced capabilities for Indian Navy under the Project 75-1I program. According to Drozhov, the Russian side informed India that it would not take part in this tender. However, along with this, we offer our Indian partners a variant of cooperation on this topic, including the joint designing and production of the national non-nuclear submarine under the 75 program on the basis of an intergovernment agreement. Next, Navy to eventually procure 100 TEDBF by 2045. Indian Navy Chief Admiral R. Hari Kumar speaking to Indian media, said that quite confident about developing the prototype of the twin-engine deck-based fighter by 2026, and by 2031-32 production would start. We may be able to get 45 TEDBF aircraft by 2040. Next, UAE's AI Tariq signs MOU with India Bharat Dynamics for local production of LRPGMs. Al Tariq, a UAE-based manufacturer of precision guided systems for conventional aerial munition, has signed a memorandum of understanding with Bharat Dynamics Limited, that is BDL, a designer, developer and manufacturer of Indian-made missiles and underwater weapons. The two companies will jointly produce the AL Tariq line of all-weather, day and night, long-range precision-guided munition in India, EDGE Group said in a statement. Next, India-Japan joint training exercise Dharma Guardian to begin tomorrow, set to further enhance defense cooperation. Indo-Japan joint training exercise Dharma Guardian will be conducted at Camp Imazu in the Shiga province of Japan from February 17th March 2023. The Ministry of Defense in a press release said that exercise Dharma Guardian will further enhance the level of defense cooperation between the Indian Army and Japanese ground self-defense forces, furthering the bilateral ties between these two nations. Next, IAF develops Vayulink platform for jammer-proof communication with base station. The Indian Air Force has come out with an innovative solution that would aid pilots in dealing with bad weather and also provide jammer-proof, uninterrupted communication with the base station, known as Vayulink. The data link communication uses the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System, that is also known as NAVIC, to send radio communications in the base station when the signals are low, an IAF officer involved in the project said. Next, IAF sets up in-house Artificial Intelligence Center of Excellence. Keeping pace with the latest trend in the tech world, the Indian Air Force has set up an Artificial Intelligence Center of Excellence. The entire system has been developed in-house without seeking any external assistance, Flying Officer Shivam Trivedi said. Keeping in mind the emerging technologies we have in the world, the Indian Air Force has taken proactive steps towards embedded technologies like artificial intelligence. Next, group of lunar meteorites suggests new origin of basalts on moon, as per ISRO. A team of the scientists from Ahmedabad-based Physical Research Laboratory, the United States and Japan has found a unique group of ancient lunar basaltic meteorites, suggesting a new scenario for the origin of lunar basalt, according to ISRO. PRL, which is a unit of the Department of Space, carries out fundamental research in select areas of physics, space and atmospheric science, astronomy, astrophysics and solar physics, and planetary and geo sciences. Next, Lieutenant General MV Suchindra Kumar to be appointed as Army Vice Chief. Lieutenant General MV Suchindra Kumar has been appointed as the new Vice Chief of Army Staff, while incumbent Lieutenant General B.S. Raju will take charge as Southwestern Army Commander, official sources said on Thursday. Lieutenant General Rashim Bali has been appointed as the commander of Leh-based 14 Corps, which takes care of security along the line of actual control with China in the Ladakh sector, they said. Lieutenant General Anindya Sengupta, the current commander of the 14 Corps, will become the new Chief of Staff of Udhampur headquartered Northern Command, the sources said. Thank you.